It was so wonderful to hear about the work that we're doing with Honeybee Logic on CBC Radio. The segment on the Calgary Eye Opener about our work with the Connect Charter School was amazing and a reflection of what interesting work we're doing and how much we're actually making a difference in the life of teachers and making an impact for schools right here in our hometown.
CBC reporter Karina Zapata has been looking into this and joins us now. Good morning, Karina.
Good morning. Well, Connect Charter School in Southwest Calgary is embracing AI. One of the goals in their charter is focused on being innovative with technology. So the school approached a researcher at the University of Calgary to build AI tools that ease tedious tasks for teachers.
I was approached by a school in Calgary, and they were looking to incorporate generative AI into their school.
Because technology is a pillar at the school, we sort of approach our professional learning around three of the pillars that we have at the school, one being outdoor education, the other being inquiry approaches to teaching and learning, and then the third being technology integration to enhance learning.
Decision making about custom software is a bit difficult. There is a lot of AI hesitancy that's going on that really has roots in a lack of understanding of this new technology.
We had conversations about how to do it meaningfully and responsively.
A few teachers volunteered to trial the iterations of the planning tool and continue to provide feedback.
I was part of the committee that helped Sarush design some of the back-end prompts that we were using for that long-range planning tool. And so we were able to work with Sarush in terms of how our charter and how we teach and our approach to education, how that will impact our lesson plans and our unit plans. And so that was really integrated into the tool.
Our goal from the very beginning was based on the philosophy. It was a human-centered philosophy. In a human-centered philosophy, the end user provides input on the design of the product from the beginning. Before even the software was developed, we had meetings with the teachers. There were a select group of teachers from various grade levels, from various subjects, and they explained what it is that was missing, what they needed the AI to do, and also what they didn't want the AI to do.
Our tool right now is called Honeybee Toolkit, which is sort of just a broad framework where we are inserting smaller tools that we're building that each take care of a certain task or problem that they're solving for schools right now. So inside Honeybee Toolkit, the first tool that we built was called Ally. This Ally tool was named by the school that was working to develop this tool with us.
The app that we're using, it creates more of a unit plan. So the way that I'll use it is I'll use it to generate unit plans and get some ideas. The tool is really helpful in terms of generating ideas and also creating those more broad, long-range plans.
The next tool that we developed was called Harmony, and Harmony is a tool that helps with writing the text for report cards based on all the notes that teachers have.
So the design of the software is two parts. So you have the way the knowledge is presented, and then you have a different section where the philosophy is enacted. Each school or each district has certain principles that they use, and we designed our software so that we could extract the core principles that are important for that jurisdiction. We developed it like this so that other schools could just tell us what their philosophy is. We would just replace that heart, that core of it, and the application would just run.
My hopes for AI is to really alleviate the administration burden of teaching. So, along with teaching is, planning and marking and, even writing lots of emails and all these things on the back end that AI can really support with, just all those administrative tasks.
The overall vision is that We want to make custom software affordable for schools. Another goal is to bring the power of AI to make schools better. There's so many things that they can do, and they're just starting to scratch the surface of it, and we want to help accelerate that.
Our goal is reach. We're not making this bigger, we're trying to reach more jurisdictions. We create these solutions, present them at different conferences, showcase them. They will see that there is a solution for something that they previously thought it was impossible to solve.
This technology will allow us to free the teachers from some of the obligations that they currently have and allow them to take care of other things that they didn't have time for before.
If generative AI is used to enhance educator capability, it's the right direction to go.